it's Dawn with PNW Blanks, and today we are going to do a plush blanket that are available at pnwblanks.com. These are 50 by 60 plush fluffy blankets, and I love them. They feel so good. They're gray. You've got the one side that we're going to sublimate on, and then the other side is our plush fluffy. And these are huge. Like I said, these are 50 by 60 huge blankets. I'm not even to the bottom yet. And we are going to sublimate this super cute design using Cyclone 2.0 ink. I've already adjusted my pressure. We don't want a lot of heavy pressure because I don't want that mark around my blanket. And so I do the tear off little trick as much as I can, so I don't get that just square box. So if you use a lot of pressure, you're gonna get that square box. So it's really up to personal preference where you put it. I put mine on the shorter end and not the long part, and then I just kind of put it in the middle of the blanket. So that's what we're gonna do. So I am going to pre-press it, and what I'm gonna do is find my middle here, which is right there. And I just put a little piece of tape so I know that's where my middle part is, and that's just for me to know because I put mine right in the middle. So we're gonna get our blanket here, and then we're just gonna pre-press, and like I said, it's just wherever you want it. So I just get mine to where I want to put it. I don't put it all the way at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to lint roll it, get all that lint off of it, and make sure you're lint rolling with the blanket. Okay, and then I'm going to pre-press it. Just a little bit, like I said, you don't want real heavy pressure because you don't want to get that square mark on there. So I don't do real heavy pressure, you don't need it. And I'm just going to let it go for about 10 seconds. I'm at 375 for 55 seconds. Okay. And then we're going to go back and lint roll it again. Okay. I just want that going all the same way. And then we're going to put our design on. Make sure that it's kind of matching up with my halfway mark, which is about right there. Scoot it over just a little bit, which it doesn't have to be perfect, but okay. And I don't tape mine down. I don't feel like they ever move, but I do want to put my paper back on top, my blowout paper, if you think of it. Okay, so we're just gonna let that go, 375 for 60 seconds, and I'll be back. Going off. And this is definitely why you want to use your blowout paper, because you don't want that on your platen. Okay. Oh, he sublimates so beautifully. Okay, and then I'm just gonna lint roll it again. Get that mark off there. Okay. I'm gonna take my tape off. And then we're gonna have our beautiful plush blanket. Look how pretty that subs. Look at the colors on that. That's so pretty. So these plush blankets, like I said, are available at pnwblanks.com. It's getting fall, so tis the season to start doing some blankets. Thank you. Hello, it's Dawn from PNW Blanks again, and I just wanted to add on to the plush blanket video that we do right now at PNWBlanks.com have a pre-order for the beautiful sweater fleece blankets. So on the inside, they have the sweater or the fleece, and then on the outside it's the sweater fleece feel. And these are approximately 50 by 60. Also, really big blankets. I've done tutorials on these. Really love these blankets also. So we've got the plush blankets that are available right now, and then you can get in on the pre-order for October or November for the sweater fleece blankets. So make sure to check those out, like I said, and get in on that, PNWBlanks.com. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!